Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Bulbasaur from Pokemon. So let's get started. To draw a cute Bulbasaur, let's first start by drawing the eyes. So let's start right here and we're just going to draw a big curve going up. So come right here and we're going to go up and curve and bring it down. And we're going to end a little bit lower than this side. And then we're just going to go ahead and connect it with a soft curve. And now that we have that, I'm going to imagine this curve continuing. So it's just going to continue all the way across. So using that as my guide, I'm going to come about, let's say about right here. Just give myself some space. And using this as my guide, this point, I'm going to go ahead and draw the other eye. So we're going to come up. And the same height as the other eye, but this eye is going to be wider. And say about right here, and we're going to bring it down. And as we come down, we're going to end up a little bit higher. And then connect. There. So, like mentioned earlier, just imagine a curve going across and just following that curve. Then from there, let's come back into the eyes and draw some details. So we're going to come right here and I'm just going to draw a curve coming down. And then right here, we're going to draw another curve for a highlight. So this part's white and this part's going to be red. And so same thing over here. So about right here, draw a curve coming down. Oops. And then we're going to draw an oval right about here in the center. There. Okay, so then now that we have that, I'm going to come next to the eye and just draw a soft curve, and same thing over here. Then from there we need to draw the mouth. So let's come right underneath this eye and just a little bit of space. So let's say about right here. I'm going to give myself a point, and same thing over here. Give yourself a point. And so once again, the mouth is going at this curve just like the eyes. So I'm going to come right here and we're going to draw a curve coming down. So this is kind of about the center. It's going to come down and about right here. Let's go up back to our other point to create the mouth. And you can just bring in a line right here on both sides. So now that we have that, let's open the mouth. So we're going to come in about right here and we're going to end it about right here. So once again, we're going to draw a curve, not too deep, say about this much. And this is about our center. Now we're going to go right back up to our point. There. So now that we have the mouth open, let's come in here for some details. Right on this corner, I'm just going to add this little line for the teeth. And then another one right here. It's very small and subtle. And then another curve right here for the tongue. And then in this space right here, we're going to draw two little lines for the nostril. Here and here. Okay, so now that we have that, let's go ahead and draw the head. So using this part as my guide, I'm going to come out just a little bit. Give yourself a point, and we're going to draw a curve right next to our eye. We're going to follow the curve of our eye. And now that we've passing the eye, we're going to go up, continue, and bring it in. Go up nice and high. Then this part is going to come down underneath the mouth. So we're just going to draw a curve, kind of following the mouth. So about right here, and then we're going to go up. There, right underneath. And we're going to pass the mouth, go all the way, go up, past the mouth, and we're going to continue. And about right here is kind of like where the jaw is, and we're going to go up right here. So just make sure you pass the mouth and you can curve up. Then from there, let's go ahead and we're going to come up, skip a little bit of space, and continue. So just continuing that curve for the top of the head. And we're going to come down, kind of flatten this part out. And in this corner right here is going to be where the ears are. So let's bring this down a little bit, and then about right here in this area, I'm going to draw Bulbasaur's ear. So we're going to bring this out and put down a corner right there and bring this down to match that. But we're not going to close the line, we're just going to kind of leave it open right here. There. And then on this side will be the other ear, so about right here. And down. Okay, there. So hopefully I was able to help you with that. A little bit tricky, but just take it step by step and follow the points. Makes it a little bit easier. Okay, so now that we have that, we can go ahead and draw the body. So we're going to come about right here in the ear. So just imagine this is coming down the head. So about right here, we're going to come down with a curve and out. So about right there. And then let's come back to the center where this kind of dips part, this part of the mouth is. We're going to come down and about right here, I'm just going to draw a curve going across. Then let's start this front leg. So let's come about right here. And we're going to curve down. And then this part right here, let's thicken it up. So let's say about right here. Oops, sorry. And then we're going to angle it in to create this front. And then right here, let's go ahead. So the legs are very short, so we're just going to come right here. And I'm going to curve 3 times and add in these nails just to simplify it. And then whatever space you have left, you can just kind of continue this. And then for the back, let's bring this in. And the back leg is going to end a little bit shorter, higher up. So about right here, I'll stop and come back about right here. We're going to thicken this up and bring it down. And then whatever space you have in between, just finish it off with a curve. And then same thing over here. 1, 2, 3. Then we're going to draw some nails. 2 and 3. And then let's see here on the other side. So about right here where this point the eye is, come down. And once again, same thing. And this leg is, this front leg is going to end a little bit higher than this one. So kind of like at this angle. So about right here. And once again, 1, 2, 3. There. And then one more in the back. We're just going to draw a curve. A little indication of a nail as well. And let's see here. A little curve right here for some detail. And make this one a little bit rounder. And then the bulb, of course. So we're going to come to the back and we're going to about right here and right here. I'm going to give myself a point. So right in this area, at this angle, I'm going to draw this curve and bring it towards about right here. And we're going to draw 1, 2, and 3 for the top of our bulb. And then bring it down and curve it all the way back to here. And then for some details, come right here and we're just going to follow. And same thing here. Follow the outside. There. And then now for all the details on the body, we're going to come, let's start on this one here. So I'm just following the original as best as I can. Just for these shapes in here. And there's one here. And I'll make this one a heart. I can't really tell it's a heart, but it's a heart. And one here. So that I can make it my Draw So Cute Bulbasaur, right? And then on the head part right here, let's come towards the center area. Just kind of rounded off triangle piece. And then one here. Kind of curves out. And down, and one last piece right here. And hopefully I haven't forgotten anything, but that is pretty much it for my drawing here of Bulbasaur. I really hope I helped you draw it fun and easy today, and if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.